finish our syllabus. So now if you see, we need to look this to interface now. So how we need to configure here, interface range, you can see what is the range you have, E0 1/2, this one is finished. This is a different, not in the range, so you can do 1 by 1. So you will write interface E0/3 and you can write switch port mode axis, then switch port axis, which VLAN, this one belongs to VLAN 20, so you will write VLAN 20, this port, and also you need to consider. So I can copy the same configuration from here to here and I can paste here and I can put here, this one will be 0 and this one will be 1. Okay, and here what I will do, this remains same. So I am putting E0/3, this is a E0/3 belongs to VLAN 20, E1/0, this one belongs to VLAN 20. But before that one you need to create the VLAN. We don't have VLAN, right? So I will create VLAN 10 and give the name, what is the name? IT. And we will create VLAN 20, what name we told HR. So we created this one. This is the configuration, whatever we done. Now what I will do here, we will divide this notepad. Okay, and we are going to put here the second switch configuration. But before that one, here you need to look interface E0/0. This one E0/0, and you need to write here switch port mode trunk. Generally we are doing this configuration. Whenever you want to make this interface as a trunk, we are using like this, switch port mode trunk. In our previous lab, we already done like this way only, switch port mode trunk. But now we are using, this is a layer 3 switch. So if you type like this, it will not accept. We need to add one more command here. We are going to see that one. I am going to show you. We will write like this, switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q. We need to write this one. After that we need to put this one. So we are going to see that, no issue. So this is a switch 1 configuration and we can copy like this and I can go here and I can paste here. Just I am preparing the configuration of switch 2. So what I done, I copy the switch 1 configuration, I paste here, I can modify here. We can say this is a switch 2, this is a switch 2, and this remains same. And you can see here the interface. If you see this one E0/1 and E0/2. So these two interface are in VLAN 20. So I can change just here 20. And if you see here interface, this one E0/3 and E1/0. Same thing, E0/3, E1/0. This belongs to VLAN 10. So I can change here 10. And here also 10. And this one E0/0 should be trunk only. Clear, right? So here what I am saying, this one, no need to check this interface. This belongs to the PC. You need to check this one, E0/1. So if you see here, E0/1, this one, E0/2. This two interface belongs to VLAN 20. So this command move this interface in VLAN 20. Now E0/3. So this is a E0/3 and this one is a E1/0, this one. So this one moved to VLAN 10 and VLAN 10, and this port we make as a trunk. So let's copy paste this configuration. So from here to here I will copy paste first and I will show you the other one. So I will go to the switch 1. This is a switch 1. I will check it is power on and I paste. How to paste? Just click there and right click. Once you right click, automatically it will paste here. And you need to check here, sometime you are getting some error. So if you do any spelling mistake or typing error, you will have here the some error. But here if you see, everything is working perfectly, no error, nothing here. So we can leave. This one is good. We can say this is good, no issue. Now what we need to do? We need to do here trunk. I did not configure trunk. If you see, I did not copy this one. So let me show you by doing manually. So I will go under the interface E0/0. Now if I type like switch port mode trunk, it will reject. See here, when I write in the layer 2 switch, it will work because this is a layer 3 switch. So what we need to do, we need to write one more command. After that we need to type this command. So I will write switch port trunk encapsulation.1Q. This is a command we need to type. So this is a command. First you need to type this command. So here if you see, I type this one only. In the shortcut also, if you write this much also, this they will accept. So anyhow I will put the long all. After that you need to put this command. So here you can paste and press enter. So you can see here this port become trunk, and press Ctrl Z and you can check also. How you can check? You can write show interface trunk. With this command you can check which port is trunk. So when I write here show interface trunk, you can see this interface is 0x0 is a trunk by mode on. On means manually someone configure, and encapsulation is 802.1q, and the status is trunking. By default native VLAN is VLAN 1, and if you see all the VLAN from 1 to 4094 allowed here. Currently we have VLAN 1, 10, 20, and still we did not filter anything here. Default everything is allowed. And if you want to check, you can check show VLAN brief here. So you can see I have the VLAN 1 here. These ports are in the VLAN 1, and this port we move to the VLAN 10, and another port E0x3, E1x0 we move to the VLAN 20. That's all. And now we need to do the configuration for the switch 2. So I can put this same here at last. Even if you put shortcut like this, it will accept. But anyhow, I will copy this whole thing. I will paste in the switch 2. So I will go here. You can see here, if you click this one, you will be in the switch 2. If you click this one, you will be in the switch 1. So I go here and then press enter and paste the configuration. So everything accepted here, no issue, nothing. Everything is working perfectly. If you want to check, you can write show interface trunk, and you can see it is trunk by using the 802.1q encapsulation. If you want to configure ISL, you can configure, but ISL is not supporting nowadays in all the new switches. We are using 802.1q only, and automatically it is on. On means manually someone configure. If you have here auto means this interface become trunk automatically. If you configure here trunk, automatically the other interface will become as a trunk. But Cisco recommend manually configure trunk here and here. So I done here trunk, and here also trunk manually. Now everything is good. We can ping and we can check, and after that we can learn some more thing also. So what I will do here, the configuration is finished. Go to PC1. Same VLAN will work. We need to remember same VLAN will communicate, different VLAN will not communicate. So this is my PC 10.1. If I ping 10.1 to 10.2, it will work, and 10.3, 10.4 it will work. If I ping 20 dot something, it will not work. So let me write here ping. I will write here 192.168.10.2. So 10.2 reply is coming. I am pinging this computer. Now I will say 10.3, it will work. 10.4 it will work. So let me check here 10.3, it is working.